Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Baseus brand power bank. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so getting this out of its box, please make sure you read quick start guide, understand exactly how this works, all that stuff. Underneath here, I'm not sure if there's going to be anything, but we'll check it. Nope, nothing underneath. All right, so this is pretty standard, as you can probably see, 45 watt, nice looking. This will likely come right off. It does. Nice handhold, wrist strap if you need it. But here's the cool part, is that doubles as a kind of adjustable sized USB cable. Wanted to call it a UPC cable. So just clearly retracts very easily and makes for easy carrying. Also have the ability to, I'm hoping you can see this, USB-A and USB-C integration. And for those of you with better eyes than me, you can maybe see that that says USB-C in out, and then this is USB-A. So you'll be able to charge this thing up and or utilize a USB-C through there. To turn it on, you're simply going to press that power button. You'll see that it comes 27% full, which is not a lot, but you know, who cares? It's coming out of the box, so there is some charge available. And so we'll get it all charged up and then we'll test it out as far as a charging capability. All right, so once it's fully charged, as you turn it on, it's going to show you the percentage. But what it will also do is once it starts charging, if you press that button, it'll show you the actual charging number. So for instance, let's go ahead and get this plugged in. And first thing I want you to see is that it is fast charging. And so as we kind of just show this, it will change that number depending on your connection. And so right now it's actually not fast charging, it dropped back down. But this will cycle depending on your phone and the amount that's needed. So as we kind of go back and forth, you'll kind of see it cycle through. So depending on what device you have, it may go into fast charging or not. And again, it's kind of finicky, we'll say. At first it will start at fast charging and kind of cycle through that. So again, it just kind of depends on your device. But either way, it charges to 100%. Took a couple hours to get from, probably like 2 hours to get from 27 to 100, which is nice. And the battery capacity is pretty solid. Another thing that is, I guess, a feature to focus on is as you kind of see this piece here, that will actually move. So to me, like, I like to keep it close whenever possible, especially if I'm going tight. So it doesn't rip the cord out. But if you're worried about it kind of being in a position where you don't want it to go any further, in the event that you're going to tug on the cord, for example, you can kind of set it right there a little bit, and it kind of creates a little bit of a barrier. Not perfect, but a little bit of a stopper. So overall, worth buying. Again, depending on, you know, I know it says that it's got up to 45 watt fast charging. I don't know that you're going to get that on your phone. Depends on what the you know, the actual device is. So to me, it's still worth buying. I love the portability, the, you know, the compact size of this thing. As you can see, very tiny, low profile. So worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you and gives you a better understanding. Thanks for watching.